Is it true you can make money in Forex trading? The simple answer is yes and no. Hello and welcome to A Minute Plus Financial Hacks. Most people who get into Forex trading end up blowing their accounts and losing their hard-earned cash. Why? Forex trading is not a get-rich-quickly scheme or gambling where you depend on luck. It is a skill you acquire, and you continually grow it. Forex trading is also not about having the best trading strategy only. It also involves your psychology and your risk management. The truth is, no single Forex trader has a 100% winning streak daily. There will be days they lose some trades. However, the most successful traders always apply proper risk management measures such as having a take-profit position, stop loss, and choosing the correct lot size for each trade. So the trick is to let your trading expectations be realistic. Do not allow greed, fear, or emotional trading to lead you. Have a trading plan, be consistent, be disciplined, have the right mindset, and continue sharpening your trading skills through courses and the right mentorship. Stay tuned for more videos on Forex trading and other investing opportunities. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.